President Hammond, should Ukraine get all the arms it needs to defend itself against Russia?
President Conley, what do you think of the EU plans to fund the Ukraine through this?
Global Compact.